Yes, people, good morning, or good evening, good night, wherever you are, wherever you are. Yes, Saint Mary again, we say Saint Mary. Now, what, as you can see, what we are doing here now, we are cleaning up the property. You can see a lot of work going on here. Yeah, man, we are getting it cleaned up because the whole place I grew up in has some woodland here, so we are cleaning it up and see if we can put in some stuff, banana and planting, whatever. But as we can put in. Man, lot of things we're going to go on with in St. Mary here. Lot of things we're going to go on with, man. We have some pineapple tree here. All of them in bushes. So we are clean them out and replant and do all different type of things. Yeah, man. Coconut. We're going to plant coconut trees and all them something like that. Banana, planting, whole heap of things we're going to go on with. Now, right down the bottom there, you have some chocolate. Well, we cut them down because them chocolate they have disease. Them not coming to anything. So we cut them down and we go all those places down there now, we go and plant them out in different things. So man, you can see what we're going on with here. All the things we can get from this property here. So we get some men who are cleaning and up and things for us. All the things, see all orange and tree there. Lot of oranges and things where we can get, So it don't make sense we have them and them are spoiled, Them there, clean up everything. Man, see how some of we can have on the ground here. Whole heap of oranges, whole heap. See all over there. Pure bushes, so we're going to clean out the whole of them, all of them we're going to chop them down. Chocolate tree and everything, we're going to cut them down and plant other things instead of chocolate because the chocolate tree them get old and not bearing anymore again, so Yeah, man, we just a show what go on, where we are going with. Yeah, so catch a little more. Yeah, these are some young planting which we plant. See them just coming out. Just coming out of the ground. Whole heap of planting business we're going to go on with one year. Whole heap of things. Yeah, man, ackee and tree. So, ackee I go open, so we have pick some ackee. Yeah, we have pick some ackee, man. Ackee time now. Yeah, man, remember me telling you, a lot of things we can get in St. Mary here, man. Whole heap of fruits, all different type of things, we can get. Holy, enough things. People, morning again, camera dad here. St. Mary with there again. We are do some work, so why we can't leave up St. Mary at all, because here so all the everything are going now, Yeah, man, every little thing I hear say it are going. So, we are do some electrical work here today, so we get a post, you can see the post right here. Where we're going to plant inside, to run some electrical thing from off the road here to to inside of the house. Yeah, so we cut the post because for real, them have some posts I sell, but them too expensive. You understand? So why we don't have the money to go up to that. So, we're going at the bush and we cut a post here, so that we're going to use. Very good post, man. See there? Just make a show of it. Here is where we here is where we're going to put the post in the hole. Show dig out the post hole. Show Uncle Murphy. Right here we're going, yeah, right here we're going to install it.
You're live, brother.
Eh? Yeah, man. We're live.
Live TV.
Yeah. Exactly. You know. Yeah. So you have to dig it that it go down about how much?
4 feet.
4 feet. Yeah, 4 feet down at the ground. Yeah. So, you know, that is what's going on. Yeah, man. Show the work, man. Always, you know, willing to do every little thing. Yeah, man. This is the fence out by the road that we are make. So it's here. The section in between where is a pattern, you have some green. Go inside. Yeah, to make a style. Go show that I work. Go show the construction, man. Jack of all trades. This part of the black them just a late, not finished yet. Yeah, man, back at it again. Yeah, see, electrical man, them a do them thing, you know. Them put on the post and string it up. You can see the electrical wires them. Yeah, so that is what they want from up here. So now is the section where the GPS man them from outer street are going to run the wire. Yeah, man.
Get your camera, sir. Get your camera, sir.
Okay, alright, so one of the workman here. Nice, yeah. Cool. Yeah, man, this is inside of the breaker. Yeah.
Sorry,